Yeah, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you based on the period of time you are following up on the you are watching my YouTube class here. Now, I will be designing something wonderful. Let me bring up what I would like to design. So this is what I will be designing and also showing you how to design it step by step, okay? So that by the end of the class you just know how to design this thing for your clients and get your the surest 5k or any amount based on your agreement with your based on the agreement with your client. So notwithstanding, if you have not yet subscribed to this YouTube channel, do it, subscribe now, like now, subscribe now, okay? God bless you. So let us start. First thing first is come here and set the size of your design. That's the size of the background. All right, you come over to image size. If you have not yet subscribed, oh my god, turn this to 10. This one height should be 1280, width should be 1080. Subscribe so that you'll be able to understand, because if you don't subscribe, guy, you will not understand this thing. Oh. So that is it. Now bring up your bring up your the design. That's the your background of the design. Okay, where do I? So bring up the background of the design. I've already shown you how to get background or anything that you want to bring up. Remember how I brought this thing was by coming over here. Let me show you again. You come over to this, click to plus, come over to this plus icon. So that's where you can get anything that you want to get, resources. So that is that. So you arrange this one, arrange it very well, arrange it very well. Okay, I think here is okay, right? Good. Let's continue then you have to lock up this image of this background. Lock it up. Come over here, click there, and lock it. You see that thing that looks like key. Lock it there. So it has been locked now, successfully locked. So get your resources ready. Let me get my resources ready. But before getting my resources ready, I've already arranged my resources here. So this is what I will do, is to bring this one up here so that I will know what I'm designing. So that is the first thing to do. Okay, so then you have to start writing, or should I write, should I type before I place the images and the background, the resources, or should I bring the resources? So these are the things that you have to ask yourself, like, what am I going to do? But do you know what to do? Just subscribe, okay? Subscribe. So that's the only thing you have to do now. So then you bring up your let's bring the resources. So guys, all my resources are now ready, like they are ready, okay? So it's now for me to start arranging them accordingly. So I've already, this, you can also do it this way or by placing, bringing them one by one, but I don't just want to be making this video to be long, so that's the reason I did it that way. So now the first thing to do is to okay, come over here. Okay, you can just um hide some, hide some. So when you close the eyes, some will be hidden, yeah. So you just hide some. So anyone that you close the eyes, this thing that looks like eye, so it will be hidden, okay? So that is that. So let us start then. uh First thing is to bring up the donuts. Oh, sorry, it's already here, sorry. The donuts. So yeah, see it here, you bring it up here, you can just decrease it a bit. There, another one is what, this chim, you can just, yeah, okay, this one is granules, so you can just as well bring it up here, but this one should be um to front. Yeah, you come over to front. I told you how to do this thing, right? Anyone that you want to bring up, like you want it to come come to the front. So you just have to come to this place and place on it to front, so it will be in the front. So you can just set it up here. So you know that I might not get exactly what I did there, but I'll pass the information, like I'll make sure I pass the information of how I did it. So that is that. So you have to get the other one ready, which is this one, I think. So you place it in front as well. You just have to bring it up here. Here should be okay. So then this one should be at the front side of it. So which other one? Okay, the next one is this one. Come over here and bring it up to this side. Okay, please lock anyone that you don't want it to shake. So just have locked this one already. So bring it up here. So you can see that it's making sense, it's making meaning already. So this one as well, you can just, so after such, you just have to bring up this thing that looks like make or anything, so anything you can call it. So you can just bring it up here and use it to cover here. Are you getting me now? So the background of your design matters a lot. Please take notes. The background of your what design matters a lot. So it tells the customer what you are selling. You know, this one now has milk. So this one is also, this is meat, Mickey donuts or anything you can call it. You call it over there. So that is it. You can just, okay, let me arrange it very well. So this one, place it up a bit. This one is okay here. So I've already arranged it. So then you, these granules over here, okay, please, you can then lock this one, lock it. So these granules over here, you can bring it up a bit. So then duplicate it, do copy, duplicate it. Okay, you see where they wrote copy. This is copy, sorry, this is copy here, here is copy. Okay, sorry, let me show you. Copy is here, this one here. So you just have to duplicate it. So after such, then come over to sticker. This is sticker, click here. If you want to bring this sticker that I want to bring out, come over here, click there. You will see sticker. Then just once you click on sticker, leave it that way. Then click again on sticker again, leave it that way. So just have to lock it up, lock both, merge them together. Sorry, it is called merging. So merge them together. So you will see something. Let me show you something. This is what I'm saying. This thing here is just like a shadow, but is also an effect. So but it serves as a shadow as well. So come over here, change the color to black, change the color to black. Yeah, so you can just bring it up, bring it up, bring it up, bring it up. So now this one should be on top. Yeah, so on top of it, so that as if it is sitting down. Are you getting me now? So you do it very well. So I think that's the step one. The next thing you have to do is to start writing. Okay, before then, let me also bring up some other things. I told you already that my images are complete, so my resources are complete, like they are complete. What was this one? You can just, this one here, you can just bring it up here to front. You can just bring it up here, although it's not in the design, but anyhow, it's not necessary. Is it necessary? Delete it, it's not necessary. So just use the one that I sent to you. Okay, so I'll also drop it on my link here. So if you want to get the resources, just chat me up, I'll give it to you. There you submit it also in the group provided. So that is it. Then this thing here, change the color to green color. Okay. Oh, sorry. So just come over here, come to uh color, change. Let me check it. Color filter, yeah, color filter. So let's check something. Okay. So this one is okay, I think. So you just have to place it here. Please, you can lock this one up so it will not be distracting you. Okay, so you just have to then place it at the front of everything. Place it here. But before then, as well, bring up this. Let me check so that it will, yeah, it will cover something. It will serve as if yeah, that's the background, but it's not the background. So that is it. Then you, so we are passing information, so the essence of designing is to pass information. So this one as well, so you can just lock it up. Okay, lock it up. Why this one you can still lock it up. So that is it. Which other things? So please, I'm really being fast so that this thing doesn't take much of our time. So now you start typing. So I will tell you how I did this thing here, this peanuts of a thing. So let me tell you now. So you type peanuts. I've forgotten the font that I use, but there is no challenge. So peanuts, is this the spelling of peanuts? Okay, oh, that should be the spelling. I don't know. Please make sure you subscribe, okay? Which color did we use there? Let me check. Okay, I use this color. Okay, the only thing I can do is just to color. This is color coding, right? So just come over here and pick the color that you used. I think that should be white, and yeah, it's already white. So just pick this color. Okay, okay, I have remembered what I did. So come to gradient, turn it to two colors. Okay, two colors, but this thing serves as a white color. Okay, first thing first, you put the white color, then change the fonts. Let's just be fast, please. Change the fonts. uh you can use Roboto Black. I think no, not Roboto Black. Let's use another font. Which font am I going to use, or which font did I even use? I've forgotten. Oh, there is no problem. Let us look for a font that is okay. That is okay. That is okay. Is this one okay? No, I don't need this one. Okay, I know what to do. Come over here, check. This thing is peanuts. Yeah. Okay, I think this font is also good. Let me check. Let me check whether it's going to give me what I need. No, it's not good. So just check, look around. You will find a good font. But that Roboto should be okay. Let me use it again. Roboto font should be okay. Just search Roboto. This is Roboto bold. So I think I should go with this one. Yeah, yes. So you just have to put the stroke, come to gradient, use two colors. It should be yellow and red. Let me show you how I did it. Come over here. Let's just make it to look nice. Just make it to look nice. Okay. Okay. That should be okay. So you can as well create another thing. Place this one in the middle. I think that should be okay. Good. this is okay. So then you have to duplicate it, but before then please make this thing to be bold, make it to be bold. Yeah, so then come to stroke. Now increase the stroke, increase it a bit, increase it. So that is it. So then pinos, please put s pinos. So that is that. So then you have to, what else? Oh, this, our time is already going. Okay, I know what to do. So you have seen how I'm combining the colors, right? So then come over to, now duplicate it, just duplicate it. Okay, duplicate, put them together, merge them together, make sure you get as the exact thing. Okay, see what you do, just place it at the middle, then bring this one up here and also place it at the middle. Good, it is now at the same, at the center. They are now merged at the center. So then that is, you have gotten something, right? So then you have to come over here and look for emboss. Let me check something. Is it okay? Let me check. So you can see it already how I'm doing it. It is very simple, like, but as time goes on you are still going to change. Let me change the color. The stroke color is, that's it is not showing me, it is not showing very well. Let me put, okay, I think red should be okay. I know what to do is to add a shadow. Good, add a shadow. I think this one is also okay. So you can add a red, no, black shadow should be okay. Increase it a bit, so you can see what we are getting, right? How we are heading somewhere ahead. That's, so whenever you are decreasing it, it will be scattering, but decrease it with C's so that it will not scatter. Okay, so at the end of the day, we are able to get this and get it done. So thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Calm down, you will be able to get it. Okay, subscribe. If you have any question, always chat me on my DM and ask. Thank you.